Hello friends, today I will show you how to create professional logo with Canva. Let's go. First we have to create a design and select a custom size or any size for your logo. So I will use a custom size. You can select it from here. This is your dashboard where you will design your logo. I am using Canva premium account, so I will get many pre-made templates. You can use Canva Pro accounts or you can use Canva free account. In Canva free account, you will have limitations on designs and templates, but in professional or pro account, you will get hundreds of templates that is pre-made for you. You can search your niche from here. Let's search fitness. So select this one. Now you have a common logo design for your niche. Now you can modify this design according to your name. Let's create a logo with a name of Extreme Fitness. So I will change the name to Extreme Fitness. Now you can add some design to your logo. Now select any other template such as this one. I will remove the clip art and I will use this one. You can change the color of your design from here. Let's change the color from black to red. Now let's change the font. To change the font, select and change it from here. I will do the same for this one. You can add elements. Search for fitness and go to the graphic tab. Let's add some elements here. Like this one. You can also use their magic recommendations. You can add text from here. Choose if your text is a heading or a subheading or a little bit of body text. So when you are done, you can download your logo by clicking share option and go to download. You can download from here by clicking the share option and then press download. You will have the option to save as JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video. So I will use the PNG version. I will use two versions of this one. One is transparent background and one is none. So I will download the transparent background first. Now I will download without transparent background. So this is how you can use Canva to make your logo. Make sure you explore the other features and options in Canva. Show your creativity and design like a pro. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel and comment below. Thank you.